Today's Monday, March 9th. This is the 1967 Cadillac Eldorado neutral safety switch. This unit has been disassembled, completely rebuilt and lubricated and reassembled and pinched and functionally validated. This is from my friend Dave in Seattle, Washington, and the unit is free moving as indicated by the arcing motion of the engagement tooth for the steering column, which applies the electrical continuity to each of the appropriate locations. So the unit was in pieces. It's been completely restored. The plastic engagement tooth and sliding mechanism has been replaced, along with the contact springs, the electrical contacts that ride on the spring tension inside, and it's been properly lubricated with lithium dielectric grease and repinched. And all four of the tabs are enabled, and it's been vacuum sealed. So this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillac Eldorado, over 250,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall, and I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, steering columns, power seat mechanisms, and other ancillary items. Today is Monday, March 10th. Thank you very kindly.